Hi there folks, today we're doing an unboxing of the Wahl Extreme Grip Hair Clipper. The reason being is that I need to shave my head for St. Baldrick's. I was unfortunately sick on the day that they had the St. Baldrick Shave Day, so that means that I get to do it here and talk to you about why childhood cancer research is important. But first, let's go ahead and unbox this guy.
Is that my cue? That's my cue.
That was your cue, yeah.
Okay.
So my wife is currently unboxing this off camera. There we go. That's the first cardboard box that came in, and then this is
technically I did open this already, so I can oil it.
So go ahead and open it up in front of me. There you go. All right, there we go. And then it comes with instructions on home hair cutting, which this is not going to be a very difficult haircut, I think. Looks like a lot of information in here. Huh, cool. And then they have the smooth cut guards, new technology that we've had for the space since the 1960s or 70s. Probably even the 50s. Directions. Oh, these are safeguards, danger, Will Robinson. They are in Spanish and English. That's not important though, it's only on my head. What's the worst that can happen? Oh, this is a fiber, whatever they call these? A microfiber cloth? Yeah, so this is good for cleaning off your cell phone. That's nice of them.
Oil before use.
Why would you oil this before using it on your cell phone?
Blades.
Oh, well, what's that blade?
Comb.
Oh, we have multiple combs here. Look at that. Fancy.
Brush.
Ooh, a toothbrush? That's
no, Kevin.
What?
Clean the blade.
Oh, why wouldn't you just use a toothbrush? This is a toothbrush you can use for two different things. Scissors. Ooh, it comes with a nice like clip guard thing here too. That's pretty neat. All right.
All the blades that I didn't want to open.
Yeah, we're not going to need those. Those are unimportant for things that we do.
So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blades.
Ooh, 9 different blades. Golly.
So
9.
Oil and oil brush.
And she did open this one already. That's what she's done on her. She's done this already. And there's an oil brush in there too.
Blade and blade brush. There you go.
Okay, and then there's the. Ooh, this is like heavy. Oil blades before using. It even tells you on there so you don't mess this up. It's pretty cool of them.
Blades have been oiled.
She's already oiled the blades though, so at least I saw her do it.
Yeah.
Let's see, at least so she tells me, but it's gonna feel so good. You know, I always think it's gonna feel so good, and then like it's like she does, and it's like, oh, it didn't really feel anything. It's only hair.
Cold.
It's gonna be cold. It's always cold.
It's all.
Usually I do this inside, and it's nice and warm. Then I go outside, and it's freezing freaking cold. We're also gonna be using the extension cord thing for the first time in a video, so. I've used it a couple times already on my router table and Dremel tool and stuff, and it's just really freaking nice. This is my wife's first time using it, though.
Why the hell can't I flip it?
You know, it goes only one way, right?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
All right. Here we go.
So what I think you should do is go from this side to this side. I'm just saying, it'd be cool in the time-lapse thing when we do... It didn't work. Oh, you have to turn on the light switch.
that was very...
Yeah.
Not dramatic.
I will threaten you with this razor that doesn't work!
No.
Voiceover Kevin here. As I said earlier, my wife is doing this because every year I shave my head to raise money and awareness for childhood cancer research with the St. Baldrick's Foundation. This is the 9th year I've done it.
It's so cool to have goosebumps in places where I shouldn't have goosebumps, and it is very awkward. But kind of pleasant.
Keep this PG, Kevin.
I've lost several loved ones to cancer in my close family, including grandparents and aunts and uncles, and it's not something that anyone deserves to go through, especially a child.
I was gonna say, this is a very pleasant experience. As far as like the blade and stuff, it's not sharp and... Well, I mean, it's not sharp and like stabbing me and stuff. I mean, when I got my hair cut by those students, I mean, the blade was usually the worst part. Don't touch my beard!
I was getting the...
Personal foul, targeting. The play is under further review.
So you're looking at targeting. Do you have a defenseless player?
Yeah,
absolutely you do.
Yeah, and this is the area. It's a tough area, folks.
Listen,
you really have to protect the players. There's no question about this.
That is textbook targeting. Right?
After further review, the ruling on the field is confirmed.
Calm down. You like that guy from Fifth Element.
Oh, yeah! I need one of those, like, glass things for my head now.
Yeah.
I can make one of those. Oh, that would be awesome. How, well, maybe not, because I think I would have to use the heat gun on my head then, which I've already done, but I don't think that was a good idea.
Childhood cancers are unique in that the treatments that work on adults simply don't work on children, and childhood cancers are often completely different from adult cancers. However, most federal funding for cancer research goes to adult cancers, leaving childhood cancer research dramatically underfunded.
Oh my god, it's everywhere.
I know. Ow, eyeballs.
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness.
It's not a Three Stooges episode.
Over the last 9 years, my family, friends, coworkers, and online followers have raised thousands of dollars to fund life and family-saving research. But we've done this entirely through small donations.
Thank you for dropping all that hair right in my face. That was awesome.
You're welcome. I was trying to see what it would look like. Style that up a little.
I could pull it off. Maybe not while I'm on the town council, but I could pull it off.
There we go. Hello. No.
Wow! You came up with a new hairstyle called the douchebag. Cool.
For the sake of your mother, I am shaving this.
No, my term is over. I might try pulling off a mohawk.
Nope.
That would be awesome,
Nope.
though. I've never been able to like, go anywhere with a
Nope.
mohawk.
But it's not just me doing this. It's the St. Baldrick's Foundation that has thousands of people all around the world raising money in exactly the same way.
I don't know what's attached and not attached, so shake your head.
You might think your small donation of $5 or $10 can't make a difference, but collectively it can, and it has. And I know that because the money that we've raised has led to incredible and ethically achieved scientific breakthroughs and revolutionary treatments that just didn't exist 9 years ago when I started.
Holy shit, your hand that's that cold.
Right here?
Yeah.
I told you
It's like, wait a second,
not
she's
here.
shaving to my right. The blade is warm, her hand is freezing cold.
If you've donated this year or a previous year, thank you. You've literally saved children's lives by being a part of this awesome fundraiser for the St. Baldrick's Foundation. Next year is going to be my 10th year, and I'm going to go all out raising money for it, including doing some awesome art giveaways and maybe some other cool stuff. Stay tuned for that.
There we go.
Cool. I love the way I look with a beard and bald head.
No.
This is my look.
No.
My head is a little bit lumpy, but I mean, besides that, it's awesome. I can pull this off. I always think that whenever I do this, it's like, oh, I look awesome with this. Truly epic.
Here we have it. Ever tried?
Hey, go ahead. Is it doing anything?
Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah, when I was in the Air Force, when we got our head shaved, they had horse brushes there, and we had to use the horse brushes on our
I
heads
don't
to
have
go
a
up
horse
there.
brush. I have a toothbrush. I'm doing
Like
it
this
now.
big, huge horse brush, though, and it's like, it felt like, you know, you had like a steel wool, like, horse brush on your head.
All done.
Cool. I like the way this looks. Cool. Thank you, wife. How'd you like using the razor?
Good. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's comfortable to hold?
Yes. It
How-
actually didn't vibrate as hard as the old one, so my hand doesn't hurt.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that's probably what the extra grip is for then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Although I don't like the rubber part on this because now your hair is stuck to it.
But that's probably why
which
you
is
didn't...
really annoying.
Yeah, it is kind of gross, huh?
Yeah. It's like this isn't something I would use professionally because shaving somebody else's head with your other hair on it is gross.
Yeah, it is kind of gross, but it's only going to be used on my head and maybe yours some
Yeah.
days.
As always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week and would love if you joined our growing community on YouTube.